This next example of law of sines gives us side angle angle. So it's saying we have a side and then we have the two angles after that. It's saying we have side B, which is 8, angle A is 25 degrees, and angle B is 97 degrees. So when I draw myself a picture, I label it A, B, and C, and then I know that angle A is 25 degrees. So I'm going to go and put that in, 25 degrees. I know angle B is 97 degrees. 97 degrees, and my triangle clearly isn't drawn to scale, but as long as I have some kind of triangle to get my ideas across, it helps me organize my thoughts. That's all I'm looking for. And then I need to put in side B, and I know that side B is across from angle B, so that means 8 goes here. So now that I've put all this information in, I need to solve for the rest of the triangle. So again, first thing I want to do, the easiest thing I think to do, is find the missing angle. So I know a triangle has 180 degrees. I'm going to subtract the angles I've already used to see what is left over. And when I do 180 minus 97 minus 25, I get that the remaining angle is 58 degrees. So angle C is 58 degrees. Now I need to find side C and side A. I know that I'm going to use my full set for anything that I'm looking for. So I'm going to use sine of B over B as my primary fraction both times because I have a full combination. I have side B and I have angle B, so I have the full pair there. And that way I'm going to be able to set up my entire ratio to find my other two missing sides. So I'm definitely going to use that. Let's find side A first. So if we're going to find side A, I'm going to use sine of A over A. And we just talked about why I'm going to use sine of B over B. And I'm going to plug in what I know. I know angle A is 25 degrees. I don't know side A, that's what I'm looking for. I know angle B is 97 degrees and side B is 8. My next step is to cross multiply. So I end up getting 8 sine of 25 degrees equals A sine of 97 degrees. Then I divide by sine of 97 degrees on both sides. And when I type that entire thing into my calculator, I get that A is 3.406 approximately. It's a decimal that goes on and on forever, so I'm just going to pick 3.406. Now I need to also find side C. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to look for side C over C, and I'm going to use B, because even though I know everything about A, I don't want to use that, just in case I added or subtracted or multiplied or did something wrong while I was solving for that. I don't want to carry that mistake over, so I'm always going to use what I know. And then I'm going to plug in what I know. I know angle C is 58 degrees. Side C is what I'm looking for. And then sine of angle B is 97 degrees over side B is 8. Again, cross multiply. And I get 8 sine of 58 degrees equals C sine of 97 degrees to get c by itself, and divide by sine of 97 degrees. That's going to give me 6.835 once I put that in the calculator. And now I'm done, because now I have everything that I needed to know. 6.835 is side C, and side A we said was 3.406, so everything is labeled, and I am